ikaw ay pinanghihinaan na ng loob, ito ang sabi ng Panginoon, think of Him. Huwag mong isipin daw yung pinagdaanan mo. Ang isipin mo, pinagdaanan ni Jesus Christ para sa'yo. Kasi kapag ang focus mo, lagi ang pinagdadaanan mo, hindi mo makikita yung strength na meron ka kay Jesus Christ. I can do all things, not because of my strength. I can do all things because of Christ who strengthens me. Kaya kapag ako ay nangihina, titingnan ko lang kung ano ang strength ni Jesus Christ. Kung si Jesus Christ, He could resurrect from the dead. That is also the strength that God has given me. If Jesus Christ could heal the sick, if Jesus Christ could withstand all that bleeding, yung pinagdadaanan ko na to, wala to sa pinagdaanan ni Jesus Christ. I have a strength that could conquer every fear, conquer every doubt. Therefore, I have a strength stronger than my problem.